Hey legends, and welcome to our channel. We are Matt, Sarah, and Zeppelin. And for the past 7 years, we've been living the dream, exploring every nook and cranny of Australia in our Willow Boab caravan and cruising in Fuzz, our Fuso canter. In this series, we're taking you along the stunning West Coast to answer the burning question, is West really best? Let the adventure begin. Welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we're putting the Fuso truck through its paces, tackling the sand dunes in the beautiful town of Esperance. The sand dunes can be accessed from a short drive from the town centre, just off the main beach.
Well, beautiful day here. We're going to go and do some sand hills.
Yeah, I'm excited.
For a little Jimmy here coming with us today.
We're good.
And have a check out of the weather. Beautiful. Great day. All right, we're off ski.
So we've come down this little track, a little bit tight getting in, hey Matt?
Yeah, a couple of scratches on the new rig.
That's alright, that's what it's for. So we've just come, we're going to tackle some sand dunes, yeah, just have a bit of fun and then probably cool off later with a swim. What do you reckon?
No.
No swimming?
Ready? Alright, go. No, you got to be right on the back of it.
Lay down. Lay down.
I see why it's steep.
Oh.
No, no.
So you got to get your weight at the back. You gonna go try again?
Yep.
Set, go. Well, that was an anticlimax ride, wasn't it? Sinking in.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's like a fucking snowplow.
He did a sand avalanche.
Oh my god! After some fun sliding down the dunes on the board, it was time for the rigs to tackle the challenge. The soft sand, tight tracks, and rolling dunes make for the perfect day out. After a perfect day, we headed to Twilight Beach to enjoy the sunset. Esperance is truly spectacular, and we have loved our time here.
I know a place where we can go and be.
Thanks for joining us for this episode. In the next episode, we're headed to Fanning Cove to see if the hype is really worth it.
Nobody has to.
Sarah tackles Frenchman's Peak Hike,
Where we go.
and we celebrate Zeppelin's 7th birthday.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and join us on the next video for my birthday.
Calling to see if you're free to run away with